Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T1 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the camera app, and here, since we're in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, because as you can see, unfortunately the timer is not highlighted in this bar. So let's enter the settings, and as you can see, the timer is right here on the second position, kind of. We've got four different options from which we can choose. We've got the off, we've got the 3 seconds delay which is currently applied, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will pick 10 seconds. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted. We can go back to the camera. Unfortunately, I cannot see any sign that we've got the timer set, but no worries. Just tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take the photo. Alright, of course, if you want to, you can turn it off whenever you want to. Basically, just go to the settings and tap on off, and from now on your device will basically take photos right after touching the shutter button. I know you cannot see anything, but trust me. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.